and think about which character you're going to describe, okay? So pick a character, think about how am I going to talk about this character? Remember, you cannot say the character's name, okay?
A girl who is kind and saved her sister.
So who do you think it is?
Princess Anna?
Yes!
It's Anna?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, awesome. A hot stove. Touching a hot stove. So think about it for a second. How do we act like that? So let's see. Ow, ow. So show me, how would you react if you touched a hot stove? Okay.
Right. I think like this.
Yes.
And get an ice pack.
Good. Okay.
So you have